Hello everyone, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I welcome you once again to this channel. This is Last Journey Biz Talk. Okay, so everyone wants to make money online, but we are lacking the right information to get it done appropriately. And one of the ways whereby you can make money online is through Forex. Forex trading has been established to be one of the ways whereby you can generate passive income on daily basis. But before you start trading Forex, there are some requirements, and the first requirement is the technical know-how. That is, you must have the knowledge. You must have the knowledge in trading Forex, and you must have the right tools. You must have the right tools, that is the indicators, your PC and the other things. And one of the other things that you need to have is a huge capital. For you to trade Forex successfully, you need huge capital to do that, because the more the higher the capital, the lower the risk and the higher the tendency of winning, of making money out of it. So having a large capital in Forex, it gives you the advantage of earning, of making your target faster on your daily trading. And all these are a result of a good technical know-how on how to get it done appropriately. But it is quite unfortunate that many people, they don't have any of these requirements and they still want to make money online, especially in Forex. So that brings about the use of robots, that is AI, that is artificial intelligence, in trading Forex or cryptocurrency. So, but most of the robots that we have nowadays, they are very, very costly, and some of them, they have been they are not as effective as they seems to be. But unfortunately, again, some of them will work for a particular period of time, and they will get hacked by some brokers, and after all, the bot or the robot will surely works against the owner. So there is a particular robot now that is working effectively, and that is why I am making this video, to show you that you can earn this bot for free. This bot costs $400. It costs $400 because it is very, very effective, and it has been in use since is up to a year now. So the company is doing a 1-year anniversary, and during this particular period of time, they are giving out these robots to the new users, to their new investors. So this is an opportunity to get these bots for free now. So you are getting $400 worth of robots, $400 worth of robot for free. And not only that, you will also get $150 that will be used as a fuel for the robot to work effectively. So this is what I will be showing you in today's video. Free 400 trading robots. Get yours while stock lasts. As I said earlier, the company is doing they are celebrating the 1-year anniversary, so they are giving out this bot that costs $400 for free. So what you just need to do is to register and get these bots for free, and after that, you can deposit and start trading with it, and you start making your money on daily basis. So let me show you the how the robot works, and while I log into my account here. So I'm going to pause this video so that I can log into my account, then I'm going to start back. Okay, right now I've been able to log into my dashboard successfully. So, and as you can see here, the name of the company is Empire X. Empire's X, that is the name of the company, that's the name of the platform that is giving you this robot for free now. It costs $400, and as I said earlier, they are celebrating 1-year anniversary. They are celebrating 1-year anniversary. So for that reason, they are giving out this bot for free. So we are celebrating 1 year of Empire X. So they are giving you this bot for free now. So this is an opportunity to make use and start earning and start making money in Forex automatically. So MPIS is celebrating its first year of success. We look forward to sharing many years with you as we expand worldwide and keep. So you can read the rest after you have registered. So now the bot costs $400 and after that you will also get $150 here. It is called credit, and the credit is used to fuel your the bot. That is, the robot will make use of the $150 here as fuel so that it can work effectively, as it has been designed to work. And after that, for you to start trading, you will need to deposit, and the minimum deposit is $500. So after you have deposited here, let's assume you deposited $500, then you have $900, as you can see in my dashboard. Okay, so before you deposit, you are going to see $400 here, and that is the amount of the robot. And you are going to see around $50 here, which is the credit for the robot to work effectively. So after you have deposited, let's assume you deposited $500, then it will reflect here, and we have the total of $900 here, which is the addition of the $400 cost of the bot and your deposit of $500. So you are going to have $900 there. But if you should deposit more than $500, it will still appear here, that is including the $400 that you have here for the bot. So that is how it works. So now for you to start trading with the robot, we just click on the connect to Xbot. So I'm going to connect to Xbot now. I'm going to click on it now to show you how the bot works, and you are going to earn 1% of your capital on daily basis. So in 30 days, that is in a month, you are going to earn 30% of what you have deposited here. So let me start now. Oh, sorry for the poor network. Okay, so now I'm going to run the bot now to show you how it works, how it makes the 1% daily. So I'm going to show you now. Okay, so now you go to connect to Xbot here. You click on connect to Xbot. So let's wait for it to load. So let's wait for it to load. So after that, then you will now click on the run bot. You click on the run bot, so you can see that what I have deposited here is 500 and the profit so far is 100.70. So now let's see how it makes the 1% daily. So this is how it works. Number of execution to profits. So it's going to win some, it will surely lose some, but at the end of the day, your 1% profit is guaranteed. It is guaranteed. So you can see it has made $0.08 so far, $0.18 now. So that is how it works. Time won't permit me to wait till the 1% is achieved for the day, because I don't want this video to be too lengthy for you. But I believe that you understand everything that I've been discussing about so far. So you are getting this bot free. I got this bot at the rate of $400, but because of the anniversary that they are celebrating, you are getting it for free, $400 worth of robot for free. And after that, it also comes along with $150 credit, which will be used as fuel for the robot to work effectively. Okay, so and with your $500 deposit, the $150 can serve you for like 3 months. With just $500 deposit. But if you should deposit more than that, it may last for like 2 months. So the more your deposit, the more your capital, the more you earn. So 1% is guaranteed and 30% is assured every month. I don't think 30% of your capital is too small as a profit in 30 days. So this is how you can make money online. This is how you can trade forex successfully without having any technical know-how, without having any tool, without using any indicator, without wasting much of your time reading charts. So this is an opportunity that I think you can't afford to miss. Okay, thank you so much. This is where I'm going to stop for today. Don't forget that you need to subscribe to this channel. It is very, very important. You need to subscribe to this channel. If you are coming here for the first time, subscribe to Lasujani Biz Talk and click on the notification bell. Set it to all notification for you to be continually aware of the next updates. Okay, and if you found this video to be very, very meaningful and helpful to you, then don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family, because one of the reasons why this channel is created is to show you some ways whereby you can make money online, and to warn you of some fraudulent online investments for you not to venture into such and lose your money at the end of the day. Okay, and if you have any online investment that you are still contemplating maybe to join, you can send it to me for a review, and I'm going to do my own sincere review on it and give you my recommendation for you to decide on. All right, if you have any question concerning this video or any of the contents on this channel, you can message me through my email address here, call me on phone, chat me up on WhatsApp, and also don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as I will be making some frequent announcements there also on financial education. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Once again, you need to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Give this video the widest publicity. Don't limit it to yourself alone. Extend it to your friends. Let them also know that there is a way whereby they can trade forex successfully, whereby they can generate money online without any stress. So just using this bot and you are going to make your 30% monthly profit. Okay, till the next time, have a wonderful day ahead, and bye for now. Meet me in the next video.